The story so far. I've removed all of the thread. Now, if you excuse the shaky camera, I have to bore the hole to take, where are we? An insert that I've made. This isn't finished. I will turn this diameter down to whatever I make the hole, as it's easier to turn externally than internally to a precise size. It's always easier to measure ODs and IDs. So, pause again. Right, update, we have bored that out to 44.95, well, as near as I can guess with those dreadful telescoping gauges, and it's 5mm deep, so I shall now turn the insert to 45, and then the head will need warming up and the insert inserted, and then it's off to the welders. Right, there is the insert. There's a bevel where the welders can stick in their little bit of alloy. Where are we? That's a 500th of a millimetre interference fit, which works out to about a couple of thou. So that should be it as far as this goes. Thanks for watching. Like, click and subscribe, as they say.